Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Meet on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the search bar, type Google Meet and tap on the Get button to download it. It might take a few seconds depending on your internet speed, so just wait for the installation to finish. Once it's installed, open the Google Meet app. When you open it for the first time, it will ask you to sign in with your Google account. So go ahead and sign in using your Gmail ID. After signing in, it may ask for your phone number, but you can skip that by tapping on Not Now. Next, the app will ask for a few permissions. First, allow access to your camera, then allow access to your microphone, and finally, allow access to your contacts so you can invite people easily. Now you're in the main dashboard of Google Meet. To start a new meeting, tap on New at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on Create a Link. This will generate a unique meeting link that you can share with others. Once the link is created, you'll see an option to join meeting. Tap on that. After that, tap on Join again to officially start your video call. You're now live in a Google Meet session on your iPhone. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see some useful features. You can turn your camera on or off, mute or unmute your microphone, and even use emoji reactions during the call. There are also more options for sharing your screen and managing participants. And that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future tutorials.